Hello there, what is up? Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today. Today we are going to be unboxing a Wordy Traveler subscription box. The Wordy Traveler is a quarterly book and travel themed subscription box where you can choose if you would like to receive a fiction book or a nonfiction book. This is my third, I think, Wordy Traveler subscription unboxing, so I will link the others in a playlist down below so you can check out those videos if you would like. The Wordy Traveler features the Backpacker Edition, which is this, and this comes with one book, and plans start at $49.99. You can either choose fiction or nonfiction. There is also a, the dual backpacker, which is one fiction and one nonfiction, which starts at $64.99 per quarter. And then there is the full suitcase, which has, yes, 3 books, either nonfiction or fiction, that starts at $109.99 per quarter. And then there is a brand new one called the dual full suitcase, which is 4 books, so 2 nonfiction, 2 fiction books, that starts at $124.99 per quarter. I know that's a lot of numbers that I just threw at you. I will be leaving down below in the description box the Wordy Traveler website so you can check out all of those different options for yourself. So while I'm opening this up, this is the Egypt quarter. A spoiler on their website is that next quarter, they're going to be taking us on a journey to the New England, is that what it was called? The New England seaside. So this, if you are seeing this whenever this goes live, there are only a few more days to actually purchase the Egypt, or to reserve your seat on the Egypt flight that they're taking. I'm not exactly sure. Like, I just received this box, and sometimes mail gets a little delayed in my area, so it might be that, but this is now going to be the second quarter that I received my box right before the end, which, if you are a normal subscriber, not a big deal, I know, but being that I unboxed this so that you can see it, doesn't give you, my viewer, much time to see if you would like to subscribe to this current box. So I'm going to have to contact them to see if there's any way that I can get my boxes sent a little earlier so that you can see and have more time to figure out if you would like this box. But this does give you sort of a little, like, hey, this is what comes, these are the type of things, I guess, that come in the box. So when you open up your box, this is new, this little booklet, which is cool. Usually it is just this. So this is the Spring 2021 box, the Egypt box, and it comes with some fun facts about Egypt. I liked that about the Japan box. It came with like recipes and a playlist that you could listen to. Kind of made it a more like, more of an experience than just unboxing a box. So we have fun facts about Egypt and similar things. So it has what the featured books are. So there are various ones for fiction and nonfiction. A recipe here, which looks amazing. A movie suggestion, and so something with Adventures by Disney. So if you are not new here, you will know that I absolutely love Disney, and I've wanted to do an Adventures by Disney for quite a while. They have Adventures by Disney, by the way, all over the globe, and this is the one, the Egypt Vacation Highlight. So it's a 10-day, 9-night trip. Very cool. I will leave all of this information down below in the description box as well, just in case you were interested in an Adventures by Disney to Egypt. And I think I saw on their social media that Wordy Traveler is partnering, I don't think they're partnering with Adventures by Disney, that's a wrong word. They're taking a trip via Adventures by Disney to Peru next year, so that would be fun to go on. So in our packet information, we have a reminder that a portion of our proceeds from this box are donated to Vitamin Angels to provide life-saving nutrition to pregnant women and children. We have a little menu of what comes in the box, which I will put that to the side. Oh, and this is what I was talking about. So the Adventures by Disney and the Wordy Traveler to Peru. You can always pause it if you would like to read it, but I'll be leaving the Wordy Traveler's social handle. They've been advertising this, so I'll be leaving that in the description box down below, as well as the contact information for the travel agent. So from what I've noticed with my Wordy Traveler subscription, there's always going to be a book, there's always going to be some sort of charm, and there's always going to be some sort of beverage, either coffee or tea, sometimes both, and this time we do have both. We have a pour over, which I've been seeing these floating around the internet, which look pretty cool. They're specifically made, I think, for like campers, but this is from Kuju Coffee, and this is the Base Camp Blend. It's a medium roast, which is the type of roast that I like. Oak, chocolate, and honey are the flavors. And what it is, it's kind of like an all-in-one thing. That's why I said that I think that they're specifically for camping, because you don't need anything else. It's just the grounds are in here with a little portion that you can just put over your cup, pour the boiling water, and it makes a cup of water. It doesn't make a cup of water, it makes a cup of coffee. I guess it's water, like bean-flavored water. I'm gonna have to try that tomorrow morning. And then we have some tea from the Ohio Tea Company, and this is the Egyptian black tea. I have enjoyed the other tea blends that have been sent from this company. I'm sure I will enjoy that one as well. Okay, so this quarter's charm is a little different. Love it. It is a lapis charm. This is beautiful. So they do come with just the charms. You could put them, I mean, I think this one would be a little large, but I guess you could put them on a charm bracelet if you would like. Usually the charms are much smaller. I'm going to get a silver chain to put it on a necklace. I think that will be beautiful. Oh, this is unique. So we have a bookmark. That's another thing, sorry. Whenever I said that typically they always come with, they also typically come with some sort of bookmark and some sort of art as well. And so this bookmark, usually they're just papered bookmarks. This is a woven bookmark. So it's a woven rug bookmark. Love the intricate design on this. And it's a proper, like it's properly woven. It's not, so like as you can see on the back, it's not a print or anything like that. So definitely cute as a bookmark, or if you have like a dollhouse or someone you know has a dollhouse, this would be really cute as like a little doll table runner. Next up, we have a limited edition print by artist Charity Stewart. And so every quarter that I've received the print, it has come with a matting, which makes it very easy to find frames for, or makes it a nice gift. This is beautiful. I like the muted colors in this. The other two that I received were very bright and very colorful, but the muted colors are nice as well. Oh, and I see now, okay, so I was like, what is she looking at? But I had to look at it. These are pyramids, and she's looking at a map. I thought she was drawing at first, or like painting at first, and I was like, that's strange. Like, it's pretty, but it's strange, but I see now. So she's looking at a map and out at the pyramids. All right, so next up is something like a box within a box, so I'm assuming it is breakable. This is gorgeous and very unique. I've never seen one like this. It is a perfume bottle, and I have a vintage perfume bottle that I used to keep perfume in, but now it's just out on my dresser. This is a hand-blown painted Egyptian perfume bottle. So it does have, you can actually, like, it is useful that you can put the perfume in, dip it, and then dot it on your pulse points. But let's see if the camera can focus well enough to pick up on that detail. So the top is a purpley pink that matches this center portion, and then the blue matches this, and it's drawn on with white and has some gold paint as well. This is lovely. So I honestly can't remember if I chose fiction or nonfiction. I know that my first backpacker was nonfiction, and then I switched it to fiction because honestly, I like both equally, fiction and nonfiction, but I wasn't the biggest fan of the nonfiction book that was sent. So haven't read the fiction book that was sent, but I don't remember if I'm normally fiction or normally nonfiction. You can, by the way, change. You just send them an email and they'll change that over for you. But this is a book. Either way, I'm sure I will enjoy it. This is Pauline Gedge. Sorry if I am mispronouncing that. The 12th Transforming. This is a large book. Some beautiful artwork. Oh, historical fiction. Wow, should have just read the back of what it was classified as. So this is historical fiction. And there is, usually I like to read like the synopsis of what the book is, just so you kind of know in case you were looking for a new book to read, but there is no synopsis of this, just reviews. Let me see if I can actually find this online. All right, so this is the synopsis for this book that I found on Goodreads. No period in Egyptian history has been the source of so much fascination as the reign of Akhenaten. Technology is amazing. Akhenaten, the pharaoh whose impetuous government took his country to the brink of disaster. In the 12th transforming, Pauline Gedge tells the rich and dramatic story of Akhenaten's catastrophic rule. It's hard for me to read today. And the Empress Tai, whose efforts to save her beloved country from her pharaoh's son unwittingly bring a curse upon the land. In scene after scene, ancient Egypt comes vividly to life. The splendor of the imperial courts, the unrelenting heat of the desert, the misery wrought upon the land when the life-giving Nile fails in its annual inundation. The 12th Transforming is historical fiction at its finest, an epic of a ruler, a dynasty, and a people confronting their glorious and tragic destiny. All right, that sounds definitely interesting. Let me know in the comments down below. I know that this is probably geared towards like people of my age, like elder millennials. Did you or did you not have a weird period in your upbringing where you were obsessed with Egypt? I found that people were either obsessed with Egypt or the sinking of the Titanic. I was more so the sinking of the Titanic obsessed whenever I was growing up. But for me, ancient Egypt was on that list as well. All right, so that is it for the Spring 2021 Journey to Egypt, the Backpacker Edition. Let me know in the comments down below what you thought of this box, what your favorite item from this box was, and if you subscribe to the Wordy Traveler, what book did you receive? Let us know in the comments down below. I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for spending a little bit of your day with me. If you have not done so already, please do consider hitting that subscribe button and ringing that bell. It would help me out tremendously and guarantee that you get notified each and every time I upload a new video. I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you in another video. Goodbye.